Here we have the third generation Ford Focus RS. Although it has a huge spoiler at the back and massive air intakes at the front, it's a far more subtle beast than its predecessor. However, it's under the bonnet where Ford have really gone to work. Packed beneath this gleaming grey bonnet is a 2.3 litre, 4-cylinder, twin-turbo EcoBoost lump with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It will produce up to 470 Newton meters of torque and 350 horsepower. The RS will catapult you to 62 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds and all the way up to 165. Don't worry though, the 4-wheel drive system and the Brembo brakes will stop you hurtling to your death. That means this Mk3 has a faster top end, better acceleration and more horses than its predecessor. This amazing car has got 4 driving modes: normal, sport, race and drift, with the latter 2 purely for the track. Sport, race and drift modes will get the exhaust crackling so much that it will have any man feeling like they're 18 again. Although artificial, the noise is simply superb. Unlike the Mk2, the Mk3 is sadly only available as a 5-door. This model though has got some extras, including Recaro shell seats and the handy door edge protectors to stop those annoying chips on the door frame that happen in tight car park spaces. Oh yeah, and the best bit? At just £31,000, it is possibly the cheapest car on the market with launch control. The brand new Focus RS, supplied to us by Trade Price Cars Essex. Let's jump in the driving seat.
Now I used to have a Focus and I loved that car until I wrote it off over an Ingatestone Ford. Now this Focus is like that one, but on drugs. Fresh from driving at Thruxton just last weekend when I was driving a Porsche Cayman, this RS has got everything and more, and why wouldn't it? It's got more brake horsepower, it's quicker 0 to 60. The only problem is for me, and it is a slight problem, is that it's a big boy racer for your 30-year-old dad of 2 like me. Now I can't really go down the fun factory with the missus and the 2 kids in the back. It just doesn't look right and doesn't feel right. I need to be young, free and single.
So, the Focus RS. Now, I've driven the Mk2 version and I loved it. This one though is much better. Many reasons. Firstly, maybe he sounded a little bit like Jeremy Clarkson, but power's good. There are loads of things, loads of aspects as why this car is better. To name them all, I'd be going on forever. And remember, this is a light-hearted review. The car's great, it sounds great, the way it delivers the power to the road is phenomenal. At the end of the day, this has come from a family hatchback. What more could you want?
So when we were told that we were going to be getting the Ford Focus, I just thought, Ford Focus, really? But look at it, it's amazing. It's got so much grip, so much torque, and personally, I think it's stunning. Thank you Trade Price Cars, the Ford Focus RS.